Let's talk about 5 vest sewing patterns that are worthy of your consideration as we go into the new year. What would you say the garment type of the year was for 2025? If I had to pick, I would say it is a vest. And in 2026, I think we're gonna see more of the same. So let's talk about 5 vest sewing patterns that you are gonna wanna consider adding to your collection in the new year. Plus, today's feature pattern, the Evston vest, is on sale now. Hi, I'm Tessa from Love Notions, and I love to help you find sewing patterns that will work in your sewing studio as well as in your closet. By the way, if you're a person that loves to see lists like this and likes to have all of your options in one place, you might take a look at the lookbook file that was recently added to our shop, and you can get the entire lookbook along with lots more handy downloads. So go to lovenotions.com and get your hands on the lookbook. The Evston vest is one of our newer sewing patterns here at Love Notions. The vest is a knit sewing pattern with lots of different versatile ways to wear it. I think that this is a great place for a beginner knit garment sewist to start when it comes to sewing a vest. So this pattern has lots of options. You can choose from this plain front like I'm wearing here. I chose to put the cowl neck with it, and I think it is so cozy, perfect as a topper layer. So sew it as a button front, and you can choose from various lengths. So it's gonna have that nice button placket. You can choose to wear it open, leave the buttons off, lots of different ways to wear it. There's lots of different lengths that you can choose from as well to make it even more versatile in your wardrobe. So if you're looking for a knit, easy to sew pattern for a cute vest, take a look at Evston vest. Next up, and completely different than Evston, is the Oakley vest. I think this one is where form and function work together to make something that's truly wearable all the time. I love using this as a travel topper layer. I love wearing this when I'm doing yard work or walking the dog. It's just a great piece to throw on, especially in transitional weather. There's 3 different views for this. You could do like that faux fur make, you could do a princess seam version with a hood, and you can also make one with just bias binding and patch pockets. And this make is just so functional, but also a great place to have fun with your sewing. Try it with a pre-quilted fabric and you are gonna look really cute. The other super fun thing about Oakley is that it's also available as a printed pattern. Let's take a look at one of our very new options for a vest sewing pattern, and that is Opus vest. This pattern actually just released just a few months ago, and it is really like menswear inspired, formal, like that waistcoat, the faux welt pockets, button front, V neckline, the point, it's lined, so it's just very formal, and it can really dress up a more casual outfit with a vest like this, or you can top it over a dress. There's a lot of different ways that you can add this piece onto anything that you're wearing. And I think vests like this one, like Opus in particular, are a little bit more formal. I've just been seeing them all over the place. So I would take a look at the Opus vest if you're looking for something that's a little bit more formal, timeless, classic. Now the next 2 sewing patterns have vest options within the main pattern. And the first one is Canyon Cardigan. So it's a cardigan pattern, but there is technically a vest option inside of it. Canyon Cardigan is really perfect with lightweight sweater knit fabric with a little bit of drape to it. There's a waterfall opening version. There is a gathered skirt version, and then there's a plain kind of A-line version that you can add different skirts to. And so there is a vest option where you leave the sleeves off and you finish off the vest, and this is a nice little topper that you could add on in like the spring for just a little lightweight, more interesting little piece to add on to your outfit. The other option that we have as a vest is with Lincoln Top. Lincoln Top is an angled button side pattern. It's a really unique and interesting piece. It's meant for more stable, structured knits. For example, Ponte, French terry, those sort of a little bit more structured fabrics work really great with the Lincoln Top. And it does have an option to leave off the sleeves and make it a vest piece that you can put over a mock neckline, a turtleneck, or a long sleeve tee like I'm wearing here, as just another cozy little layer to put on over the top of what you're wearing, just for some extra interest and fun. And last but not least, let's talk about Coda quilted coat. We have seen tons of people leave the sleeves off of this particular pattern and use that really cute curved hemline and make a really beautiful bias binding finished vest layer. So cute and very easy. You could take a quilt top that you've already made, or you could take some other quilted item that you already have lying around your house somewhere, cut into it, and make a very, very cute, fun, functional vest. I've seen probably a dozen people do this in the last month or two, and I think it's a great way to use this pattern in making a vest of your own from a traditional quilted coat pattern. So there's 5 or 6 different vest ready sewing patterns in the Love Notions collection. We have Evston vest, have the Oakley vest, the Opus vest, Canyon cardigan in vest form, Lincoln top in vest form, as well as a twist on the Coda quilted coat with a vest style option. So whether you're drawn to more of the cozy, easy comfort of Evston, want something a little bit more functional like Oakley, or something a little more classic and timeless like Opus, I think we've got your vest options covered for you. So let me know in the comments, which of these vest sewing patterns is calling to you right now? Which have you sewn, and what are your future plans for sewing up a vest? What are your fabric ideas? What options are you thinking about? Drop all of your ideas and questions and comments in the boxes below, and if you want any of the links to these patterns, check the description box as well. We love sewing with you. Can't wait to continue more in 2026, and we hope to see lots of your vests coming up in the future. And remember, if you have been eyeing the Evston vest, there could not be a better time to get it than today.